all the clouds. Ducky. We're going to Alishan. Just got the rental car. Alishan National Park.
So yummy.
Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
But safely because it tells you when the light will change.
Yep.
It's so cool.
Going on freeway. Let's go to Alishan. Going to north. Chiayi. Chiayi is where Alishan is. Also where my uncle lives. Uncle James. Monkeys. We're here, paying our fees.
Ready.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ducky. Folks, now we have Breanna behind the camera. Yeah, a little bit history about the name of the mountain, Alishan. Alishan. So San is mountain. So Ali came from back in Qing Dynasty. They called the indigenous people Kali, and through generations they lose the K in Kali, and it becomes Ali. It also means a place where the sun shines. Where the sun shines. During sunny day when the clouds are all gone. Hi, sir. I'm looking at you. Yes, looking at you. Definitely gotta come when you come to Taiwan. All right, let's climb the stairs. Hey.
We're here.
Alishan Station. Hey.
Here we are.
Look at the clouds. Oh my gosh.
For the train. Oh.
Look at all the clouds.
It's amazing.
Got our ticket. We're going. All right. Shit. Let's go to the front. Alright. Let's get in. This one. Next one. Shit.
Alishan Forest Railway. The run will take about 7 minutes. Get off of the doors on the left-hand side of the train.
方向站火车头这一边哈，我们出口方向站火车。
Exit. We are here. Want to be in it? Train is coming behind us.
A 1,000 years I lived.
1,000 years.
1,000 years. Because of rings, it said.
This tree trunk was struck by lightning and lit on fire twice. Used to be the biggest tree here in the park.
And was 1,000 years old.
It's called Senmu, means a tree of God. So this tree was pretty famous here.
Cute.
And now it's laid flat. One of the sightseeing. This station is Senmu Zan that we just got off.
Gorgeous, so relaxing. You hear the running water. It's so lush and so green. I just want to like bring a book and read here. It's so cool. We're just getting started.
Just getting started. Babe, what is this called?
Giant Trees Boardwalk.
Giant Trees Boardwalk.
Jumps out because everything is green. Random purple. Everything's so green, it really pops. The limbs are like the size of a normal tree.
This girl studying forestry. Now she's gonna
Yes.
tell us about the trees.
Okay, the one on the left
The one on the left,
is
number
about
19.
649 to 665 years old.
Wow.
And the one on the right is about 720 to
This guy.
762 years old. And they're hollow inside because they often are corroded away by the fungi.
Huh.
Look at them.
What are we looking at?
Elephant trunk.
Elephant
tree.
trunk. Let's see. Hold on.
So look at that.
Elephant. Trunk is here. The head.
Often.
Pretty abstract, but you can kind of tell. First generation. How old is it?
1,500 years.
1,500 years old. And second generation is on top of it.
Around 250 years after it died.
Okay. And third generation is the youngest, as you can see on the top. 3 generations of trees. Look,
What?
I think some T-Rex might come out really fast from,
Oh yeah.
might be some T-Rex.
Definitely electric fence. Do not get near it.
They have dinosaurs here in Taiwan.
Got that feel to it for sure.
Look at the mural. This is fun.
I'm a sucker for
Oh, hold on. Let's see. Shake it. Ah, the boba actually moves. That's a cutie. That's a cutie.
It's a cute.
Oh, someone found the little teacups.
I did. They're beautiful.
That was cute.
Hello.
Good doggy. Good doggy. Good doggy. Good doggy. We have Oden, 7-Eleven. Yeah, I guess we're outside of 7-Eleven. Alishan. Just getting some Oden.
It's really cool.
Really cold. Okay. All right. First time in Alishan for both her and me. That was a good time. Really happy about it. All right, saying bye.
Bye.
Bye bye, Alishan. Thank you. Oh yeah,
It was a good time.
it was a good time.
We'll be back.
We'll be back.